everybody, welcome back to Little Lammy Kitchen, and we have reached 400 subscribers. Thank you for showering so much of love and support. Today we will learn how to make lachcha parantha easily and quickly. So let's get started. To make the lachcha parantha, we need two things. One is 2 cups of whole wheat flour or gehu ka atta, and the second thing we need is water. So what we will do is gradually add the water. And then we will start kneading it with our hands. You must be knowing how to make roti dough, so this is just the same thing for lachcha paratha. We want it to form a really soft dough, and it shouldn't be too stiff. So our dough is ready and it's super soft. Now we will roll it out. So I'll take the dough ball and then I'll start rolling it out into a circular shape.
Just tell me what you want.
I'll just take some ghee and I will spread that. Then I'll add some salt. Then we have to start rolling it. Then we will also roll it like this so it forms a spiral shape. Then again flatten it out, start rolling it again. And don't forget to add some dry flour so that it doesn't stick. Now we will put this on the hot tawa. Now we will just put some ghee. That's because that's what it makes as a parantha. Buttery delicious parantha. So just spread it. And then just wait around 2 minutes for it to cook. And then we will flip it. Then again we will put some ghee. Oh, it's so buttery. And our parantha is almost ready. But of course it needs to cook a little more. And again we will flip it. You can see it's golden brown. That's very good. And because of the ghee, it turned golden brown. Now we will let that again happen with the other side. So our crispy and lachhidar paranthas are ready. I'm going to be having this with masala aloo bangan. Doesn't it look tempting? I just want to dive into it. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.